Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how Mesh Morpher handles LODs for morph targets, and we will go through some problems that we might face and how to solve them, right? So let's create a morph target. Let's create our beast morph target. And let's test it out, right? Okay. And now if we open the mesh and enable the morph target and we go through LODs, we'll see that from LOD 3 and above, the eyes are missing, right? That's because they're using same UV coordinates, and we can see them, they overlap pretty weird inside the head, right? So we have the possibility to fix this. We have to go back to Mesh Morpher, go to Edit, Settings. We have to disable Use UV Projection for LODs and make sure we have smooth iterations to 0. Once we change settings that are related to LOD, we right-click the morph target and apply to LODs, right? So now it will apply this morph target to all LODs using the new settings. Okay, applying LODs has been completed, and now we can see that we have the eyes back where they should be on all LODs, right? And if we bake this, let's go to Poser. Let's select the beast morph target. Let's create this bone snapshot. It's okay. Okay, now that we have the morph target and new bone position, let's bake everything and let's see how the LODs look with the baked morph target, right? Let's disable this. Okay, and now we have the baked metahuman with the correct LODs for the baked morph target, right? You would use this setting only for cases where you have overlapping UVs, so like not overlapping but shared coordinates on UVs on some LODs, and you get some problems, right? Don't use it if you don't need it. When you're done with it, just go back to use UV projection for LODs, right? Because if you get the body works very fine for metahumans, right? So you just use this when you have problems with UV projection. So this is it for this video. I hope this made sense. Some people don't know about that option to fix LOD projection for LODs, UV projection for LODs, and yeah, this is it. Bye.